In today's video, we're diving into Cummins fault code 3231, also known as SPN 4360 FMI 0 or SPN 4360 FMI 16. This is a critical fault code indicating that the SCR intake temperature has exceeded the maximum allowable limit. Understanding and addressing this fault code is essential to maintaining your truck's performance and avoid costly repairs. Let's break it down. What is fault code 3231? This fault code signals that the selective catalyst reduction or the SCR intake temperature has detected temperatures exceeding 1202 degrees Fahrenheit or 650 degrees Celsius for more than 60 seconds. When this happens, your truck's engine control module will eliminate the red stop light and the malfunction indicator lamp immediately. The SCR intake temperature sensor is crucial for monitoring the engine exhaust temperature entering the SCR catalyst. The ECM converts the voltage from the sensor into a temperature reading, ensuring that the SCR system operates within a safe parameters. The SCR intake temperature sensor is located between the diesel particulate filter and the SCR catalyst in the exhaust system. This position allows it to accurately measure the temperature of the exhaust gases entering the SCR catalyst. This diagnostic runs continuously while the engine is running, provided that the active regeneration of the diesel particulate filter is not occurring. This ensures constant monitoring of the SCR intake temperature. The ECM sets this fault code when it detects that the SCR catalyst intake temperature sensor has recorded temperatures above the 1202 degrees Fahrenheit or the 650 degrees Celsius for more than 60 seconds. This prolonged high temperature can indicate severe issues within the aftertreatment system. When this fault code is active, the ECM takes immediate action to protect the engine and aftertreatment system. It indicates the red stop engine light, and it also puts on the mill light. It may reduce the engine performance to prevent further damage. To clear this fault code, follow these steps. Perform a key cycle. Turn the engine off, wait 1 minute, then start it again, and let the engine idle for 1 minute. The fault code status displayed by OTR Diagnostics will change to inactive immediately after the diagnostic run and passes. You can also use OTR Diagnostics to clear the mill light or check the status of the fault code. Possible causes for this fault code include degraded or diluted or incorrect diesel exhaust fluid, malfunctioning SCR intake temperature sensor, upstream exhaust system malfunctions. If you have OTR Diagnostics, you already know it's an essential tool for performing all OEM fault code resets, after treatment maintenance, and regens. For those that don't have it yet, OTR Diagnostics is designed to provide you with all the necessary information for your Cummins engine. It empowers you to take full ownership of your fault code information, making maintenance easier and more efficient. With OTR Diagnostics, you can stay ahead of potential issues and keep your truck running smoothly. Addressing fault code 3231 or SPN 4360 FMI 0 or 16 promptly is essential to maintain your truck's performance and avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance and using high-quality diesel exhaust fluid can help prevent this issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more truck diagnostic tips. For more information, you can visit otrperformance.com. Thanks for watching.